Hello and welcome to our channel. Nanbeige 4.2-2 billion parameter model is released, and this model is powerful. And Nanbeige 4.2-3 billion is a compact agentic model built on Nanbeige 4.2-3B base model, and it is designed to combine strong agentic behavior with broad reasoning and alignment capabilities. Its looped transformer architecture reuses the transformer layers to increase model capacity without adding parameters. With only 3 billion non-embedding parameters, the model delivers solid performance on general agent and code agent tasks. During the supervised fine-tuning, we expand the diversity of training environments through real-world environment integration and large-scale environment synthesis. So this model is very powerful model, and to use this model you can use the transformers, you can use the Google Colab to run the model. On Kaggle also you will be able to run the model, and in local app you will be able to use vLLM and slang to run the application, and the Docker model runner can also be used to run the model. It is available in quantizations, and these are 39 models. Quantize model then can be used and run. So OWA Nanbeige 4.2-3 billion GGUF. This model you can run it in LM Studio as well, or through Ollama. And this model is a 2-bit model is 1.76 GB, and 8-bit model is 4.43 GB. So these are different statistics of the model, and so this is the quick start information about the model. And to run it on Hugging Face, they have provided the code here, so you can run this code and run it locally. So through slang you need to use this code and run through slang, and this is the usage of running the model through slang. And vLLM server is code is this. You can also use the Llama CPP to run the model. So these are the different uses. And Ollama, you can use the Llama CPP for compiling it for Ollama. And here you should be able to run it in Ollama directly by clicking here and then click on Ollama. So this will download the model in Ollama and run it. Or if you want to run it in LM Studio, just click on LM Studio here and it will download the model in LM Studio and run it. You should consider to use this model locally by Ollama or LM Studio. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.